So I'm out here biking the neighborhood, and remember, I've got to upload a new YouTube thumbnail to my latest YouTube video. The problem is I'm not at my desktop, but I'm just out on my bike. In this case, I just want to upload a new thumbnail on my mobile app from the iPhone or Android device. So the question is, how do you upload a new YouTube thumbnail from your mobile device, whether it's Android or iPhone? Here are the steps you got to take. Number one, you got to take a picture. Number two, you got to create the thumbnail. I highly suggest using one of the mobile apps
like Canva, Fonto. Click the link in the card to watch how I make an attractive thumbnail using the free Canva app for iPhone or Android.
Step 3, after you've created the thumbnail and download it to your phone, you're ready to upload it to your YouTube channel. You can do this using the YouTube Studio app. Let's go to the computer and I'll show you how to do it.
Step 1. Install the YouTube Studio app from the App Store or the Google Play Store. Here's the App Store icon. Tap the App Store, tap Search, enter YouTube Studio. Here's the YouTube Studio app. I already have it installed, so I can just tap Open. Or if it's not installed, you just tap Get. Let's go back to my home screen. Here's the YouTube Studio app icon. Step 2. Open YouTube Studio app. Tap YouTube Studio. Now I'm at the dashboard of my app, or if I tap the 3 lines at the top, then I can select videos. Step 3. Select the video that you wish to add your thumbnail to, or to change the thumbnail to your custom thumbnail. I'm going to select this one. Step 4. Upload or change your custom thumbnail. Tap the pencil icon, tap Edit Thumbnail. Below your video, YouTube shows you a bunch of thumbnails that they've selected from your video. To change that, tap Change. Go to the photos on your camera roll, select the thumbnail that you wish to upload. I'm going to select this one. Tap Select. Tap Save. It says Saving Changes. Now I've got a new custom thumbnail for this video. Let's see how it looks on the phone. And here's how the thumbnail looks on my iPhone. Just keep in mind, when viewers see a thumbnail on their phone, it'll be the smallest size that they'll ever see it. Approximately 70% of your audience views your videos on their phone.
Now if you want to know the best practices for creating a YouTube thumbnail, watch my next video. I did a 1-hour live stream that goes into all the best practices for creating attractive thumbnails.